Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a day in my life video and I'm gonna share a few kitchen tips and tricks that you can use in your home. The plant that you can currently see in the video are the spiral lucky bamboo shoots. And besides the money plant, this is another commonly found plant in every other Indian household. So today I'm going to propagate this plant and show you all how it's done. This plant was purchased from IKEA a year ago and I thought this is the best time to propagate it. So I'm going to use a clean sterile scissor and cut in between the nodes shown. So this is a piece of shoot that I have just cut from the main plant. These were the leaves of the bamboo shoot that were attached to that small piece, as you can see in the video. So I've just popped them in clean water and I'm gonna keep it in a bright area for few days until it grows roots. I've sealed the open end of the cut bamboo shoot with some melted wax so that it doesn't catch any mold. So I'm gonna keep them in a well-lit place, and here is a small holder that I've attached to the cabinet, and I'm gonna place the tube here and wait for at least 2 weeks to see new root growth. Stay tuned for my next videos for an update on the propagation. So here we are preparing a batch of broccoli cutlet. These are very delicious and healthy recipe that you can try for your kids and even give them for tiffin, or even you can take it for lunch, office lunch, etc. So this is a really good way of incorporating veggies into your diet, a little healthy snack. So here I have taken one whole broccoli, and to that I'm going to add hot water to blanch it, where you immerse the veggies in hot boiling water for a few minutes and then you take it out. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and then take it off. So I've strained out broccoli and gave it another rinse just to get out any deposit. Now if you want, you can boil this up completely and then mash it up, but since I've blanched it already, I'm just going to grate it finely using a grater. Here I've added around 1/4 to half cup of grated mozzarella, 4 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of oats, salt, minced garlic. For some spice, I'm going to add paprika, but you can skip this. Let's mix this up. Now let's shape them into cutlets. So here I have made around 9 broccoli cutlets. Air fry at 180 degrees for 15 minutes, turning in between. So after a few minutes, they will brown up from the top. So you just need to turn it over. Brush with olive oil. So autumn and winter season is just around the corner, which means that the clothes are gonna take ages to dry even when kept near the heater. And in this situation, the most difficult piece of fabric to dry quickly are the kitchen towels. And no matter how many times you wash them, which good detergent or fabric conditioner you use, they still give a very off smell if they're not dried properly or if they're not sanitized properly before washing. I'm going to show you one effective way of cleaning your kitchen towel. You can use this method for any piece of fabric. It just involves the use of 2 ingredients and boiling hot water, and the end result is going to amaze you. Although your kitchen towels and tea towels will look clean to your eyesight, but when you wash them with this technique and sanitize them, you'll be grossed up. So all you need is some baking soda. Here for 2 towels, I've taken around 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda and juice of 1 whole lemon. Once it fizzes up, add sufficient amount of boiling hot water and let it sit for 15 minutes. Look at that water. You'll be grossed out when you try it for your kitchen towels. After 15 minutes, repeat the same process with just boiling water and leave it for another 15 minutes. Then wring it out and then wash it finally in the washing machine with a good detergent. Another tip that I have is how you can reuse old candle jars. All you gotta do is pour hot boiling water in them and leave it for 15 minutes. The layer that you see here is the wax that I've melted with the hot water and solidified at the surface. Press and pop out the leftover wax, and this can be used as wax melts or can be just discarded. Wash your jars well with clean soapy water and they are good to use. Here I have washed and reused my old Yankee candle jars for the cotton pads and earbuds that I store for use on my washroom countertop. It's all about DIY and reusing stuff. If you like the tips and techniques I shared in this video and also the recipe that I've shared, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please do so subscribe now. I'm almost to the 500 target, so I'm hoping that I will hit the 500 target very soon. Your help and support is all that I need. If you like my recipes and my videos, then please to share it further, and don't forget to leave your comments, as reading your comments motivate me and it helps me to grow and enjoy creating more videos and more recipes for you. Also, if you have not yet downloaded the Temu app and shopped right away, then do so now. The referral code will be linked in the description box below. Tap on it, create a new account, download the app and get shopping to enjoy £100 coupon bundle and 30% off for your next order. I'll see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe and some more kitchen tips and techniques. Until then, take care and stay safe.